Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Nanang Widiatmoko, and today I would like to present a community service program titled Development of Arts, Culture and Sports Class Promotion at Muhammadiyah 1 Junior High School, Yogyakarta through a profile video by me, Nanang Widiatmoko, and Mr. Budi Dwi Arifianto, Mr. Yunianto, and Abdurrahman, communication student, and my collaboration partner, Mr. Adrian Friatna from Jogja Film Academy. So, our community service is at Muhammadiyah 1 Junior High School, Yogyakarta. And this is focused on how we want to improve the school promotion through profile video, because in today's digital era, video is one of the most effective media tools for building an educational institution image. However, many schools still have not fully utilized digital media for promotion. And in Muhammadiyah 1 Junior High School, Yogyakarta has great potential in arts, culture, and sports. The challenge is how to communicate that potential creatively and broadly to the public. And this program was designed to meet that need for strategic digital communication in schools. And this program aims to empower teachers and students to produce school profile videos, use videos as a creative promotional tools that reflects the school's identity, build awareness of the importance of visual communication in the digital age. And yes, this program made several key contributions, like improved technical skills of teachers and students in content production, and then strengthened the school's identity through authentic and narrative-based media, and then utilize simple tools such as smartphones and CapCut to create meaningful promotional videos. And yeah, the project also helped foster a collaborative and creative digital culture within the school environment. Okay, we applied participatory workshop method. The activity consists of 4 main stages. Number 1, needs assessment through discussion with the school to identify potentials and challenges. And number 2, workshop training covering visual communication, script writing, shooting technique, and video editing, and then video production by students in small working groups, and then evaluation using observation, interviews, and review of participant works. Teachers and students were not just participants, but the active creators in the entire video making process. Yes. Okay. Here's are the outcomes. 40 ICT students has several teachers were actively involved, and 10 short profile videos with duration 1 until 3 minutes were successfully produced. Okay, the video highlights sports activities, interviews with coach and student, and the school environment. Despite time and equipment limitations, strong collaboration helped the program run smoothly and achieve impactful result. Okay. In conclusion, this program shows that with the right approach, schools can independently use video to enhance their branding and communication. And in the future, the program will expand to involve more teachers and explore interdisciplinary collaboration with field such as visual communication design maybe, or technology information. Yes. Okay, so that is the end of our presentation. Thank you for your attention, And we also want to say thank you to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala for this community service has been done. And we also want to thank you, especially Lembaga Pengabdian Masyarakat Universitas Muhammadiyah Yogyakarta, for supporting our activities. And last but not least, UMY ada, masyarakat berdaya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.